What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Genshin Impact. So, as you can tell, we are kind of just chilling out in Nouvelette's office because why the hell not, right? So, let's just go into our summon pool here quickly. We got 35 Primos over the 1600 limit that we need for one multi. So, we're going to just take a look, see where we're at, kind of go from there. The easiest way I usually do is I start counting at 10. So, let's see. 50. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at 54. So this is going to put us at 64. But we are guaranteed a 4-star. Hey, if we pull fischal, we're good. Because for 4 stars, I basically want fischal. If we can get doubles of her, we're great. And just keeps adding more pity toward Nouvelette. So, the hell with this. Without further ado, without me rambling on, let's jump in and do a pull. For 64. Pity. Oh my god. We're guaranteed a 4-star regardless because it's... Okay. Yeah, fair as much. Come on. Where's fischal? Be nice, give me the fischal. That's not fischal. Did it seriously screw us and not give us fischal? Really? Give us a... This jerk again? Fuck you, I want fischal. Wow. Alright, whatever. So it gave me a useless 4-star weapon. No, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Okay. Ooh, elemental mastery increased by 240. Okay, so things with elemental mastery is good, which is great and all, but I want fischal. I already got this dinglebear. I already got him, and I don't need him. And it's like, just no. Is it so much to ask for a fischal? Like, come on. It's like, be nice. Give me fischal. Give me someone I can actually use. And of course, we don't have any more of the pre-rolls yet. It's fine. That's fine. It just means I'll just grind out even more. Which I'm kind of not happy about getting the weapon, but it is what it is. Where is Heizo? There he is. Useless animal idiot. So who fucking died made him boss, basically. Now let's see one for him. Hooray. Great. Still don't get why his things like that, even though he's from Inazuma. But it is what it is. Even at resets, we will definitely do some more pulls. So we're 64 pity now, I believe. Yeah, I believe we're gonna be 60. Yeah, we're 64 pity. So that's not terrible. It's not great, but it is what it is. But we'll continue to do pulls in his office. I was really hoping for fischal, to be honest, but of course the game said, screw you, we'll give you Hanzo instead. It's like, I don't need him. I want the fischal. Fischal is amazing. We'll actually go in and look at some of her stuff. Like, she's basically a battery, so we'll go in, do a thing. Because even if I knew we weren't going to get a 5-star because we weren't that high in a pity, which I think is absolutely bonkers, but it is what it is. Maybe next week I can get some more, something so we can chuck it into the lead. So, going to the wishy thing, details. Fischal is amazing. I already have Yao Yao. I don't have fischal. That's literally the only issue that I'm having right now. It's like, seriously, I do not have the fischal. 50% chance for fischal. And so it's, yeah, 50-50. Which is not terrible, but I would really love to have fischal, to be fair. Because she is really, really good. Now look, it's Dongli, aka Rex Lapis. Or, as you will, the Geo Archon. And we also have the Hydro Archon, the real one. Not the little basket case who sits there. Not Farina, the one with baggage. Which I don't even know where the hell she's hiding at around here, but it is what it is. Actually, no, let's see what domains are open. Can I do weapon domains today? It'd be nice if I could. Oh my god, I can. Okay. Well, looks like I can work on Shield's weapon. That's good to know. So the weapon stuff is open today. Good to know. Just for something for me to do later. So Pretty Kitty's weapon's only 50? Ooh. Oh boy. I can't even craft any of those. Oh god. Yeah, no. We're gonna have to be boosting stuff up with her too, so either way, it's fine. That's what I was gonna do. We're gonna do a thing with the fischal events, which is weird. I don't see why it's all here. I've already done some of this. 11 days, 5 hours. I'm just curious. 5 hours on the next one, okay. That's not a big deal. Test run. There we go. Fischal, where are you? There we go. So she needs lampgrass, huh? Really? That means she's technically a Mondstadt character. Great. Actually, I could see it. So we're gonna do a bit of a test play. We'll do a we will do a test play with her. So because the more stuff that we can get for her right off the bat, the better. Who does she have? Thoma. Hey, Bido's here. Okay. So fischal obviously is basically good for setting up the electro damage. Oh god. No, I said two. Switch into Toma. Damn it, fischal. And Mr. Porn Toma, yep. I'm supposed to kill 6 enemies? Okay, well that's fair. And then we're gonna switch into yes. Acheron herself. Another character I actually want to get my hands on too. Okay, so that's her weapon. Apparently that's her weapon. Yeah, no, caca. Okay. I can't remember. Oh yeah, Toma is a polar user. Forgot about that. Well, apparently Cacao, we aren't the best rush around, so it is what it is. Oh my god. It's like, bruh. Seriously. Well, you heard the lady. Oh great, we got a big bastard. That's fan-fucking-tastic. Okay, Acheron, send help. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I don't know what we got here. We have a royal cacao. Why did they give her that bow? That is not even her weapon. Yeah, we'll summon little bird to deal with it. Ow. Really, fischal? Good god. I actually keep forgetting that Toma's a shielder. Great. Ow. That really hurts, you dick. Oh god. And I'll switch to Acheron. Nice try, genius. Oh god, I missed. Actually, what we'll do is we'll do Don Lee's what do you call it? Don Lee's test run. And then we can get 20 primos from that. Oh my god. Oh yeah, Fischal's dead. I forgot about that. Oops. So yeah, apparently you can't resurrect them if they croak when you're doing the test plays, which I think is actually kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, here, bouncing bombs of fun. Okay, no, this thing's health is melted. I'm not gonna lie, that thing's health is disintegrated. Oh, now you give me something hydro. You know what? Come on, get your ass in here and do something useful. Make yourself useful. Well, that's kind of GG's. Which is good because it gives us more stuff for fischal when we do officially pull her. Which is kind of a... which is more or less a hope for that at that point. Yeah, I forgot to see events, and it's going to be a test run. She is. Because, yeah, no, I really do like fischal. She is actually pretty awesome. Even though she's kind of a bit batshit crazy, but it is what it is. Still wish we didn't get Hazel, but it is what it is. Oh, look at that. 3 more core lapis. Must be fucking nice. Because then maybe I can actually continue on with the other crap that I need to do. That involves me using core lapis. We got Kachina. Okay. Oh, great. Benny's here. So we're gonna use Donglei's E. Now we're gonna call upon Benny. Whatever you say, Benny. Whatever you say. And then we'll get her flaming spear of death floating around me. Oh look, it's an aquatic. That's an aquatic cloud retainer. Yeah, come here, you bastards! I'll pounce on all of you. Jesus Christ, Kachina. For a 4-star girl, you hit pretty fucking hard. Feel my ball. You've heard Dongley. Feel my ball. You're standing on my dick. Now you feel my ball. Oh, look at this. Couple of scrubs. God damn it, Dongley. Really, Dongley? You're supposed to be a shielder. Feel my ball. That's funny when he turns things into ashes. Sir. Can you not? Yeah, whatever you say, Bennett. Whatever you say. Switching to Kachina. Sit here and just bounce on these idiots' skulls. Give them some brain damage. Call back Benny. Call him the dog. Make this thing feel his balls. Because why? It's what Domini does best. He wants people to grab his balls after they get crumpled by their rod, by his rod. Or should I say his massive pillar. Yeah, let's just call into let's just call a tiny child back into. I'm still kind of surprised that Kachina's able to put the. I'm still kind of blown away that Kachina can actually get that much damage. That just surprises me. Kachina hitting 20,000 is like, I'm sorry, what? You're just a child. Can you not hit that damage? Would be great. And the nice thing is we're actually getting XP from that too, so. You know what? We'll take that core lapis because I can technically use those for something that No! No. I'm gonna run away. We've already done this. I don't need to be screwing with that. Not again. I don't want to sit there and cringe and watch Kachina hit over 20,000 damage. Which is kind of like, I think I'm good. You know what? Let's see what this scrub is. Because we technically got him, so guess it's only right to test him out to get more shit for him. Oh, goody. So he's okay. So we've got. God damn it, Benny's here again.
Let's get down to business.
Free. Is this like a vaporized team or something that we got going on here? I forgot. Yeah, he's a martial artist, but I think his weapon is a bow, I believe. So it does make him pretty formidable. Okay. Yeah, let's just call upon the Benny. Benny, I do not want you there. Well, you heard the lady. It's nice and spicy. Yes. Hazo, who's gonna sit there pretty much boot fuck everything out of existence. Yep. That's literally just how that's gonna go. Yep. Okay, I can admit, for a 4-star, he's not bad. But I still don't understand why he need... Or no, he's Catalyst. Actually, I have a perfect weapon for him now. That worthless 4-star weapon that we had, I'll give it to him. Yeah, no. We're gonna give him that 4-star weapon, because it's gonna make things a little bit easier. As for his artifacts, I don't have a goddamn clue, so... It's just like, yep, whatever. It is what it is at that point. I didn't even see what achievement we got, so it's like, okay, well, sure. Oh, look, and we also have Yao Yao. We've got the Yao Yao. I know exactly how to play her. She's Dendro, and she can be a bit of a spaz. It'd be kind of nice to get fischal for once, but it is what it is. What achievement was it that we got? Wow. Okay. Sure. Characters. Where's Mr. Punchy Pants? There he is. Can I even send you? No, I cannot. Why? Because that'd be too easy. Oh, weapon. Yes, yeah, that's right. Forking Catalyst. Where's one that we just got? Because animal characters need, technically, elemental mastery. Okay, that's 240 elemental mastery. Yeah, no. If there's anything I know about animal characters, they need elemental mastery. So elemental mastery by 240, yeah, you freaking right, I'm taking that. Because at this point, having the elemental mastery at over 240 is going to be a wonderful thing, because it's going to be like, yep. There's 20. Oh, fucking damn, can I even do... No, of course not. That'd be too easy. So yeah, elemental mastery is technically going to increase by 240 attributes. It's saying EM's only, well, technically with the 240 from the weapon, he's basically sitting at like 270 EM, which is kind of busted. Which I don't even remember, even playing through the Inazuma story, I don't even remember running into him. I really don't. Whatever. I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually. Yeah, cause he's probably Tenryo commish, but I haven't even come across him. But, okay, yeah, we're getting closer to that too. But it is what it is.
When you use your way, gaining some altitude can bring some perspective.
Alright, guys. Anyways, thank you so much for chilling out today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new, returning, or haven't done so already, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share with your cat, dog, brother, sister, goldfish, porcupine, whatever you guys got. Or even your saurians. And remember, stay safe, stay classy. And we'll see you guys in the next video. This is your commander, Lost Rain, signing out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Conflicts around?